Hi everyone, welcome to the Ukestuff channel. I'm here today with an unboxing that's a little bit unexpected. If you caught a couple of my videos, I recently bought the Enya Nova ukulele and I really liked it and was in communication with the company about how it would hold up in a school environment, and they sent me what they would consider a faulty model to destroy, and I destroyed it and then I glued it back together and I call it Frankenenya. And I have those two. And in conversation with the company, I was telling them that someday I was hoping to get the TransAcoustic, which is the same Enya Nova with some electronics in it. And they let me know that the color that I would prefer the black one. I know I've watched some other people talk about what colors they'd prefer. I just like the black one. They said it's going to be out of stock for a while and probably not filled until next year. And I said, that's fine. And then they said something to the effect of, well, we occasionally get returns. And I said, if you ever get a return, I'd love to buy one of those too. And they sent me one. So that's very, very kind. There's been no other kickbacks or finances or anything from Enya. Just for clarification, because I was just watching Barry Maz. He did a rant about how people get ukuleles to leave positive reviews and so forth. And I just need to let you know, nothing. There's been no money sent this way. There's been no demands that anything be reviewed positively or anything. So just so that's clear. So I think it's time to unbox this one. So clearly it came from customs at some point. It was shipped here in the US to me. So there we go. There's one side of it. They've got really nice Enya tape that has their branding on it, that's a nice touch. I saw that Sticker Mule can do some of that for people too. So here is the instrument, and I'm opening it up, and it's the same colored Enya box, which is pretty much to be expected for the Enya Nova. And then you open it up, and inside are the strap and strings and the capo. And then there's also a loose USB charger. I think it's USB mini. And then you've got your instrument. And here is the Enya TransAcoustic model. Now it looks exactly the same. It's a little heavier. It'll be fun to do a comparison with the two of them. But it's going to be the same. It's going to have that radius fretboard, everything else. But then it has the little bit where you can add chorus and volume and turn it on. So it's on, and I'm going to turn down. So I'll make sure that it's in tune. By the way, this is the Jawum Smart Tuner. When you teach at a school and you have to tune 40 of these at a time, it makes a lot of sense. But, okay, then I'm going to add reverb, go all the way. Do you hear that? Then, chorus, which I had a college professor that said basically that was just when you had wrong notes all singing together or played together. So you get a little bit of distortion, and together you get kind of a crazy effect. I'm not such a big fan of chorus effect. That's crazy with the reverb sound. So this is going to be fun to play with, and you can punch it out through the 1/4 inch jack on the bottom, and then you can amplify those effects as well. Yeah, that's crazy. Makes you sound like you're playing in a really large hall. So that's the Enya Nova, the new TransAcoustic version, and I will review this one. The review is probably going to be very similar to the Enya Nova review, but then I can do a comparison of those two as well, which would be kind of fun. So thanks for watching the video, and we will catch you next time.